In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between the standard and itemized deduction in TurboTax. If you're trying to compare deductions or override the default recommendation, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can confidently choose the method that works best for your situation. Screens may look slightly different depending on your TurboTax version, but the flow is the same. Start by opening or continuing your tax return in TurboTax. From the main navigation, go to the Federal Taxes section. If you're using the Home and Business version, you'll see a Personal tab. Select that instead. Next, choose Deductions and Credits. This is the area where TurboTax organizes your potential write-offs, and it's also where you'll access the deduction choice. When TurboTax asks how you want to enter your information, select I'll choose what I work on, or you may see it labeled as Explore on my own. Picking this option gives you the full list and makes it easier to navigate directly where we need to go. On the Your Deductions and Credits page, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Done with Deductions. That might feel counterintuitive, but it signals to TurboTax that you're ready to review deduction totals. Continue through the next few screens. Keep clicking through until you reach a page titled The Standard or Itemized Deduction is right for you. This is TurboTax's recommendation based on what you've entered so far. On this page, look for the option that says Change My Deduction and select it. This is the key link that lets you switch methods. Now choose the deduction method you want to use, standard or itemized, and select Continue to apply the change to your return. As a quick refresher, the standard deduction is a fixed amount based on your filing status, while itemized deductions total up things like mortgage interest, state and local taxes subject to limits, and charitable contributions. If your itemized deductions are higher than the standard deduction, itemizing may reduce your tax more. TurboTax will usually show you the amounts side by side so you can compare. If you pick itemized but haven't entered your details yet, your itemized total may be low or zero, which could increase your tax until you add those entries. That's all there is to it. After applying your choice, review your estimated refund or balance due so you can see the impact. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime to switch back and compare again. Save your return as you go and you'll be all set.